belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I try.
Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you around my small family room slash TV room. It's just an extra bedroom that I have in the house that I converted into a TV room. So I have a small house. I only have one living space. So I decided to turn this bedroom into a TV room. So if you're looking for any ideas or inspiration, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So what I did first was I put in this couch. This couch actually turns into a queen size bed. It's not really the ideal couch that I really wanted, but with the room being so small and a couch having to fit through the door frame, I had to select a couch that was 83 inches long or less. And so that's how I ended up with this one. It is very comfortable. It is from Ashley Furniture. And like I said, it does convert into a bed. So I put all these nice fluffy pillows on here, and it's super comfortable when we're sitting here watching movies. And we do watch, this is where we spend most of our time. And so I wanted a lot of soft surfaces where you can kind of like put your feet up and just kind of get comfortable. These faux fur pillows are perfect for when you want to lay down and watch a movie or watch TV. So these pillows, the two gray pillows on either side are from GALLERIE. And the one in the middle, I got that from a Facebook Marketplace seller. The two faux fur ones are from Ross. And over here I have this really slim lamp that I got from HOMEGOODS because the space is so small. I needed something really slim to fit in there. And this decorative box here that I got from HOMEGOODS holds all the remotes for the TV because we watch a lot of movies in here. Hey guys, what's a good movie to watch on either Netflix or Hulu or something like that right now? I'm looking for a new movie to watch. The one I watched recently was Dirty John, and that was on Netflix. It was really good. But if you can recommend a movie for me, I would appreciate it. Leave it in the comments. So I absolutely love the layout here. I'm going to show you this table in the corner here. This is the way it looked before. The top was a dark brown and it just wasn't going with what I wanted in here. I wanted light and bright. So I took my metallic gold, Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint and some white chalk paint. I mixed it together for more of a rustic look, but I went over it with a high gloss polyurethane and I love the way it came out. And I just put a mercury glass lamp and a white storage box to, you know, put extra things in there like the lighter for a candle and things like that. And that's my sweet grandbaby right there. And I just put some greenery just to kind of give some life to this area right here. So I really like the way this looks. And I'll show you the other side of the room. This is where I have this armchair, and I'm going to come back and show you the pillow and the throw and everything like that. This piece guys, I found at a thrift store, no, at an antique store, and I'm going to show you what it looked like before. This is the way it looked before. It was just brown, old school looking, you know, old hardware and things like that. But I saw the potential in it because it is a solid wood piece and it does have like dovetail drawers. A very solid piece that's not going to go anywhere, and it provides a ton of storage. So I chalk painted this. I took that door off the center and I found two baskets from Marshall's that fit right into that opening, and that's the way it came out, and I absolutely love it. The top is painted gold, just like the small table in the corner that I just showed you. And I just put some decorative items on either side of the TV. I believe all of the decorative items are from Ross. And over here on this side of the TV, I put these 3 mirrors here, which I got from Burlington. It was in a pack of 3 for $8.99. This is just another overview of what it looks like. That closet right there is what I call my home decor closet, and I'll show you that one day. I have all my home decor organized in there. This armchair here and the footstool, this is a good place to sit, and you can turn it either way. Sometimes I turn it towards the TV depending on how many people are in here, or sometimes I turn it the way that you've seen it here. That is the matching pillow from the couch. Like I said, I did get that from a Facebook Marketplace seller, and I think that's originally from Gallerie, but I only paid $10 for both of them. So guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. As always, if you like home decor, decorating, DIYs, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on anything. And thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.